Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhini's world. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make tasty and tangy lemon rice in a very quick and simple way. Previously, I have posted pulihara tamarind rice in a very detailed way to achieve temple style prasadam taste at our homes. You can find the video link in the description box below or in the suggestion card above. Now, let's move on to our today's recipe lemon rice. Friends, mix rice very gently so that rice will not break and also it will not become mushy and remains grainy. Friends, this simple rice would be one of your favorites if you follow this recipe, and also it would be very easy to make in our busy routines. Please do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with me in the comment section below. Also, if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Gruhini's World. Thank you.